Which sentence in the first paragraph is missing a subject? A. Sentence 2, B. Sentence 3, C. Sentence 4, or D. Sentence 5. Let's go through our choices and see if we can locate the subject in each one. A. Sentence 2. Hanukkah celebrates the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. Our subject here is Hanukkah, with the verb being celebrates. As all is in order here, we can mark this off and go to our next choice. B. Sentence 3. After outlawing the Jewish religion and Jewish practices, then King Antiochus IV decreed that Jews must worship Greek gods in the temple. Here we see that the subject is then King Antiochus IV, with the verb being decreed. This can be marked off as well. C. Sentence 4. Eventually, Jewish priest Mattathias, his son Judah Maccabee, and their army revolted, ultimately forcing Antiochus IV out of Judea. Here we have a long subject. Jewish priest Mattathias, his son Judah Maccabee, and their army, but it's a subject nonetheless. The verb here is revolted, and as there's no problem here, we can mark this off. And D. Sentence 5. And reclaimed the temple and rebuilt the altar. While we have the verbs reclaimed and rebuilt here, we're lacking a subject. Who is doing the reclaiming and rebuilding? As the sentence doesn't tell us, we can see that this is the sentence missing a subject, and we can mark choice D, sentence 5, as our final answer.